Okay guys, time to upgrade the table saw. I noticed when I built my dust collection that belt was pretty odd shaped. Today we're going to upgrade to the Power Twist drive belt. This is a linkable belt that allows you to take off a link at a time, and this is a very strong belt, and it's going to cut down on a lot of the vibration and make the motor run a lot cleaner and smoother, and hopefully translate into a lot better cuts and a lot less noise on the machine. So let's get started. I'll show you how to do it.
Alright, first let me take my back panels off, getting access to that belt. You can see that dust collection works well, by the way. Belt pops right off, no problems. Alright, now it's time to measure out the old belt. Found a nice spot on there to get a reference from and slowly work my way around that oblong shape. Get back around, and there we go. Now let's just measure out the link belt. And I want to do that slow and careful, make sure you don't have too many gaps in there. Got a little bit of variance, but keep it as tight as possible. The interesting thing about the link belt is you don't cut it. Those links pop out. There are two links that hold each section in. One goes through one hole and into the previous, and then the other just locks into the back side of that. So very simple design, but man, very functional. So let's double check our measurement. Measure twice and cut once, I believe the saying goes. And there we go. Get it right. Now just fold that back around and insert the links. This is a very handy belt, very versatile. I bought the 48-inch pack, so I knew that would fit. Had just a couple inches left over. So let's get that installed and check it out. And there's little arrows on the back to show you the direction the belt needs to be fit. And on the inside you can see those little tabs are angled, and that'll obviously work to help hold that against the pulley and make things work. Easy to install. Lift the motor up, plop it on, and let it go. Let's see how it works.